Innovation is central to the teaching process, and we realize that after every day of class with our students. I'm 25 years old. I am new generation educator in the area of mathematics, and being a user and technology fanatic, I consider myself a Microsoft Innovative Educator expert who aims to do new things, implement and integrate new tools that are of benefit in the teaching process in which students are the key protagonists. From teaching how to solve geometry problems in Microsoft Whiteboard, performing interactive classes and presentations in Swipe and PowerPoint, to playing mathematical scribble games live with my students using Microsoft Teams are things that make a very relevant difference between what has been a traditional teaching process that has encompassed much of the story and a 21st century learning environment that is innovative and eye-catching to generate greater motivation in students. And the way this impacts my educational environment is that it is not only my students who are motivated to learn more, but also my fellow educators who are encouraged to ask, to research, to learn about new ways of teaching. In this way, we have been able to form a support group to share our knowledge and the things that we discover day by day. By becoming a MIEE expert, it will ultimately make my role as an educator more enriching by generating higher expectations and a greater motivation to reinvent learning and support the people around me so that they are also part of this great community of educators.